guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm participating in the Useful DIY Challenge hosted by MomDas from MomDas Live Handmade and Denise from This and That with Denise Jordan. And they wanted us to make a project using something old and turning it into something new. So for that, I'm gonna use this screen mesh, that cardboard that I just showed you, this cutter, my glue gun, some paint, and some floral that I will show you a little bit later. So let's get started. First, we're going to take our cardboard and we're going to start cutting our windows from the first layer. We're going to use 2. And the first one will have the windows cut and also this down part, that it's a rectangle. Just like that, keep on cutting and be really careful because that's really sharp and we don't want cut fingers. And just like that, we keep on cutting until we have that all cut. This part will only be cut in one of your layers. You're just gonna cut your windows on both of them. And like that, we're gonna trace our windows in our second layer. After we trace them, we're gonna cut them. I'm just getting the exact same shape from my windows to my second layer, because in that windows we're going to add the screen mesh. After we have that, we're going to cut those windows like so. And now we're going to add our screen mesh. For that, we're going to take a piece of that mesh like so, and we're going to start gluing it to the cardboard, to the second layer or the bottom part, or I don't know, second layer is fine. And then we're gonna go glue it. It has to be really tight and nicely glued, because you don't want that to move around. So continue gluing and using the tip of your glue gun to spread your glue. Don't do that tapping motion I'm doing because you will get burned. And as I'm doing, I'm spreading that glue so it's really glued like so. And now we're gonna cut the excess fabric or screen mesh, and we're gonna add our first layer from that door, just like that, with lots of hot glue. And continue gluing until you have everything glued. And now we're gonna take our cardboard and we're gonna do an X shape on the bottom part of our door, like so. After that, we're gonna make it really sturdy by adding lots of hot glue. And now we're gonna take our door and we're gonna add some borders so we can cover that horrible view or sides. And that's it. You add your borders like so, and then it will be ready to spray paint. Looking for some more glue to keep on gluing them. And then after we finish, we're gonna add some glue to the borders so they glue and you cannot see the seam of your door. just like that. This is the tricky part because that's uneven and you have to add lots of hot glue. Now we painted it in white, flat white from Rust-Oleum, and we're gonna add some dry brushing using, we're gonna continue dry brushing it like so, and adding some more paint on some of the edges or where you think you will add some more paint. We want that distressed look on our door. Continue painting until you have it all painted the way you liked it. Just like that. When you're finished, we're gonna add our wreath. And as we did before, we're gonna add our wreath directly to our door. That's the same method I used for the shutters. We're gonna add those green leaves from Walmart that you can see. I just spent 97 cents. I bought 2 bunches of that. We're gonna use one of them to make a circle and continue adding them until you have your circle. I did 2 rows. Now I'm gonna start adding those other greenery. I don't know the name for that. That other style of greenery. We're gonna add them so they look like feathery. I think feathery is a good word for that. We're gonna add them in a feathery style, just like that. And then we're gonna glue them to our wreath, like so. You see, I'm gluing the bottom and the tip. I'm showing you again the bottom and the tip part, just like that. And now we're gonna take the leaves from that same bunch and we're gonna start adding them to our liking in our wreath. I'm gonna change that placement, but you have to check out what do you like or how you like them. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have here our wreath. I added a doorknob from an old drawer. As you can see, we have our mesh, screen mesh, painted cardboard door. And this is how it looks. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank them for bringing us this awesome challenge. I just love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.